How to do a repeated grid. I have this element, a square with title and text, and I want to show you how to repeat this element with the repeated grid tool here on the right side panel. So I will just select it and drag horizontally and vertically as I'm doing here. And you can just place it wherever you want. It is also very easy to adjust the space between the elements. Now, if I want to add an image to this element, or more than one image, I will just drag the image from my desktop into the XD file, and when the element turns blue, it shows where the image will be. So I'm selecting one image from here, and I will just drop it in one of these squares. But if I want different images, I just need to select the bunch of images that I want and just drop it on the top of the elements. Like this. We can see that the repeated grid tool is active. If we want to change a particular thing on one of the elements, it will change in every single one of them. Like this. I'm moving the text and I'm moving, for instance, the title, and all the titles in all the elements are moving. Same thing with images. We can also do that with opacity and rounded corners. So let's disable repeated grid, and now we can edit them separately from each other.